If you're curious about how platforms like Caesars Sportsbook work, this is going to break everything down in a simple, educational way so you understand the system behind it, how people use it, and what actually happens when someone places a wager online. Keep in mind, this is for informational purposes only, and sports betting is restricted to adults who meet the legal age requirements in their location, and it should always be approached responsibly. Online sportsbooks like Caesars Sportsbook are basically digital platforms where people can place wagers on sports events such as football, basketball, baseball, tennis, and many others. Instead of going to a physical betting shop or casino, everything happens through an app or website. The platform acts as a middleman between the bettor and the sports market, setting odds, accepting wagers, and determining payouts based on real-world game results. To understand how it works, you first need to understand what odds mean. Odds are simply numbers that represent the probability of something happening in a game. They also determine how much money someone would win if their prediction is correct. For example, if a team is heavily favoured to win, the payout for betting on them is usually lower, because the outcome is considered more likely. On the other hand, if a team is considered the underdog, the payout can be higher because the outcome is less predictable. These odds are constantly changing based on team performance, injuries, public betting patterns, and other real-time factors. When someone uses a sportsbook platform, the first thing they usually do is create an account. This involves basic information like name, date of birth, and location verification. The reason for this is legal compliance. Sports betting is heavily regulated, and platforms must confirm that users are of legal age and located in a region where betting is allowed. After the account is created, users can browse available sports and events. Inside the platform, every game is displayed with different betting options. A single match can have multiple types of wagers. The most common one is called a money line, where you simply pick which team or player will win. There are also point spreads, where the platform gives an advantage or disadvantage to balance both sides of a matchup. Then there are totals, sometimes called over/under, where you predict whether the combined score of a game will be above or below a certain number. More advanced users sometimes explore prop bets, which are wagers on specific events within a game rather than the final outcome. For example, predicting whether a specific player will score first or how many touchdowns might be made in a match. There are also parlays, which combine multiple bets into one. Parlays are more complex because all predictions must be correct for the wager to succeed, but they also come with higher potential payouts due to increased difficulty. Once someone decides what they want to bet on, they select the amount they want to risk. This amount is often called a stake or wager. The potential payout is shown before confirming the bet, so users can see what they might win if the prediction is correct. After confirming, the bet becomes active and is tied to the outcome of the real-world event. During the game, users can track their bets in real time through the app. Some platforms even offer live betting, where odds change dynamically as the game progresses. This creates a fast-moving environment where decisions are influenced by what is happening on the field at that exact moment. Because of this, odds can rise or fall quickly depending on momentum shifts in the game. When the event ends, the sportsbook automatically calculates the results. If the prediction was correct, winnings are added to the user's account balance. If it was incorrect, the stake is lost. It's important to understand that sportsbooks are designed in a way where the platform always has a built-in advantage over time, which is how they operate as a business. Another important aspect people often overlook is bankroll management. This simply means controlling how much money is used for betting activities. Many experienced users set strict limits for themselves to avoid overspending or chasing losses. Without proper control, it becomes easy for people to make emotional decisions based on wins or losses rather than logic. There is also a psychological side to sports betting that many beginners don't fully understand. The excitement of watching a game where money is involved can make people more emotionally invested than usual. This can sometimes lead to impulsive decisions, such as increasing stakes after a loss or placing bets based on favouritism rather than statistics. That's why responsible use and self-control are always emphasised in this industry. Modern sportsbooks also include features like cash-out options, where users can settle a bet before the event ends. This means they can lock in a partial win or reduce a potential loss depending on how the game is going. While this adds flexibility, it also adds complexity because timing becomes very important. Another thing worth noting is that platforms like Caesars are heavily regulated. They use security systems to protect user data, verify identity, and ensure fair play. Transactions such as deposits and withdrawals go through secure payment systems, and users often need to complete verification steps before accessing full features of the platform. In terms of accessibility, these platforms are designed to be user-friendly. Sports are organised into categories, odds are displayed clearly, and betting slips are simplified so users can understand what they are selecting. Even though the system looks simple on the surface, behind it is a complex network of data analysis, probability modelling, and real-time market adjustments that determine the odds you see. It's also important to understand that while some people view sports betting as entertainment, others may find it risky. That's why most platforms provide responsible gambling tools, such as deposit limits, time reminders, and self-exclusion options. These are designed to help users stay in control of their activity and avoid unhealthy patterns. At its core, a sportsbook like Caesars is not just about predicting sports outcomes, but about understanding probability, risk, and reward. Every bet is essentially a decision based on information, statistics, and chance. Some people treat it as entertainment, others as analysis, but the underlying principle remains the same. Nothing is guaranteed, and outcomes are always uncertain. So when you hear about people using platforms like this, what's really happening is a structured system where predictions meet real-world sports events, and financial outcomes are determined based on accuracy and odds. Understanding that system is more important than focusing only on winning or losing, because it shows the bigger picture of how the entire sportsbook ecosystem functions. And that's the complete breakdown of how platforms like Caesars Sportsbook operate, how the betting system works behind the scenes, and what people generally experience when they interact with it online. On top of the basic betting options, many modern sportsbooks like Caesars Sportsbook also include special promotions and boosted odds from time to time. These are designed to make certain bets more attractive by increasing potential payouts or offering bonuses on specific games. While they can look appealing, they are usually tied to specific conditions, so users always need to read the details carefully before participating. These promotions are part of how sportsbooks attract and keep users engaged during big sporting events like the NFL, NBA, or major tournaments. Another feature that has become very popular is same-game parlays, where multiple outcomes from a single match are combined into one bet. For example, someone might predict the winner of a game, the total points scored, and a specific player's performance, all in one slip. If all parts of the prediction are correct, the payout can be significantly higher than a normal single bet. However, the risk is also higher, because one wrong prediction causes the entire wager to lose. This makes it a high-risk, high-reward style of betting that requires careful consideration. Finally, it's important to understand that the experience on platforms like Caesars is designed to be engaging and fast-paced, but the outcomes are still based on real-world uncertainty. No system or strategy can guarantee consistent wins because sports themselves are unpredictable. That's why experienced users focus more on entertainment value, discipline, and long-term control rather than trying to chase quick profits.